Long ago, in a valley where 3 roads crossed, 3 travelers arrived beneath an ancient tree. The first traveler carried a bow. His heart was heavy because the road before him required courage he was not certain he possessed. The second traveler wore the robes of a prince who had left his palace behind. He had walked through the night searching for a way to end suffering. The third traveler carried nothing at all, only the quiet knowing that love sometimes requires sacrifice. They sat beneath the old tree in silence, and after a while, the first traveler spoke. "I do not know how to act when those I love stand on the other side of my path." The second traveler said softly, "I once stood at the doorway of my home and wondered if leaving would break my family's heart or heal the world." The third traveler bent down and picked up a seed that had fallen from the branches above them. Holding it in his palm, he said, "Look closely at this seed. If it remains safe in my hand, it stays exactly as it is. But if it enters the soil and disappears, it becomes a tree that feeds generations to come." The 3 travelers lifted their eyes to the branches overhead. The tree above them had once been a seed planted long ago by someone who knew they would never sit in its shade. And in that moment, the travelers understood something quietly powerful. Some choices are not made for today. They are made for the children of tomorrow.